I get to start off this one saying, you know, each one of these homes drives me in a certain way. This one, the inside, when you see the main level, you got two totally different experiences. The main level is absolutely stunning, and they've absolutely capitalized on all the wonderful views. It is absolutely sensational. Can't wait to show you that. But then downstairs, you've got a privatized view with nothing but trees around you. So it's like you're encapsulated right in the hillside. It is a phenomenal home. And that is what excites me the most, is the outdoor living experience that you're gonna get. And it's two totally different experiences. We're gonna go on inside the 252 Wild Turkey Bluff. Come on in. As soon as you step in the door, you are greeted with an immediate dramatic view. When I first stepped in here, I was like, oh my gosh. And Tess, I just want you to take a minute, because this deserves more than just a shot. You don't even have to be outside on that deck out there to enjoy the experience of living up here and all the beauty and essence that it's got. So I want to take a minute, because this is one of the most dramatic, absolutely wonderful concepts that the people came in here and said, hey, you know what, we want to bring the outside in. And this is a view like I've very rarely seen in my 30+ year career. And the awesome thing is they designed every single thing to take advantage of two things. One is this incredible view and the windows, the huge windows that they've got. And then the downstairs is just that total privacy encapsulated. So you've got both areas that you can do high level entertaining. And that's the number one thing that this home was designed around, was these people like to entertain. So you can see the open space up here emulates the downstairs terrace level too. So this home has been extremely well thought about. And I got to tell you, the space on the main level is about perfect. I could move right in here and just be on the main level, and I don't need to go upstairs to where they've got an office or bedroom, and I don't need to go downstairs. This is perfect for me and the living that I do. And I tell you what, I would not want to leave this area anyway, because I just love sitting here and seeing all the majestic beauty that's out there. But Tess, let's go out on, since they've got the doors open, let's go out on here on the awesome deck. And I like the positioning of the deck right off the family room area, open to the kitchen. So you can literally have all of your guests floating right around the kitchen and flowing out into the back lawn, or not back lawn, but the back deck. And Tom, I'm gonna bet if we had the Bellagio fountains going on, you'd probably be sitting here and we'd hear the trickle from the lower area. And you can see the hot tubs right down below. So for entertaining, you've got it all right here. You can be talking with the people down there in the hot tub, having your glass of wine up here, enjoying the beauty and the serene peace of the view. And Tom, you see a lot of homes here in the community. What an awesome community, by the way. So Big Canoe, Tom's a resident here and one of the listing agents. Every time that I come up here, it's like, oh my gosh. The windy roads.
Yeah, we're a big place, almost 8,000 acres, 100+ miles of roads. It's all about blending into nature right from the beginning. And Big Canoe is like around 53 years old now.
And it just seems to get better every year.
It gets better, right?
And you know, the interesting thing about this home, you'll notice it's got a modern feel on the inside, but the outside is really matches the mountains. So tell us a little bit about why that is.
Well, I mean, this is their taste, right? They wanted to be in Big Canoe and the lifestyle of Big Canoe. You'll notice the outside is Craftsman, but the inside is their taste. That this is a modern look that they obviously enjoyed in other homes and wanted to replicate it here.
And I'm going to tell you this, you know, I came in here, I'm like, I could move right in this, and I'm more in the traditional flavor, but it is not too modern. It's like, it's the perfect modern for me. They have absolutely blended the right selections. And on the outside, it does match that mountainy feel, because the restrictions within the community are just that. So I think this is a fascinating home, because you got that mountain feel on the outside, but the inside, it's like that city living. So it's a great blend of the two totally different concepts together. They did a masterful job of creating that imagery on the inside that takes advantage of the open space, the big windows. So the awesome thing, the centerpiece of the kitchen, this large island, is Cielo marble. Now, you know, here's the awesome, I'm telling you, these people have planned every single experience. They said, you know what, marble is awesome, we love the look, but we want to protect it. So they had a company come out, and there's actually a protective layer over the marble so you can enjoy the beauty that Cielo marble brings to life without having to worry about the things that typically stain. So this is awesome. I'm gonna tell you, we have marble in our home. I'm gonna do this on my home. So I'm glad that we came up and did this home. She is a smart seller, by the way. She's thought of everything. Prepped up different ways. I'm gonna point out a couple things in the home, like down in the basement, what they did to prep things up. Off the master laundry room, cool thing, they've got a laundry room tucked, and it's not a stackable washer dryer. It's a true laundry room size right off their master closet. And I'll show you what they did. So they prepped everything up, laid it out so that you can modify it what you want to if you want to. But the kitchen, family room, breakfast area, everything one big open space. And you got the two-storiness to the family room, but you've got the excellent appliances with the 6 burners on them. Nice heavy cast. It's the Z line, which is a very nice style of appliances. You've got the dishwasher over here that's extremely quiet. And the good thing is they've done a great job of really matching up their colors. And that's why they went with this color combination through here. Great line of appliances. Then you've also got the nice side step out. They didn't want to mess up their main beautiful deck. They wanted to keep that pristine. So you got your grilling deck right off here. You step off the kitchen, step right over here. Perfect amount of space for a large size grill. And you can sit there, drink your wine, chill out. You don't have to be alone grilling over here. You got space, perfect amount of space, and perfect amount of privacy. Now I want you to remember this, right about here, on the other side of this is the laundry room off the master closet. Now they knew that they were like, hey, you know what, for us, this is gonna be perfect. So the way that they laid out their master closet, the laundry room is right in there. If you wanted to have a door put in here, the laundry room would go right through here. So you have easy access if that's what you wanted to do. You don't have to. I love the way that they've got it designed here. And then the other thing is, look at all the windows in the primary bedroom, just taking advantage of that incredible view. Can you imagine going to bed every night, seeing the mountains out there, and then waking up in the morning and having that sunrise coming out over the beautiful trees and the hills over there, the mountainous areas? It is absolutely stunning. Now remember, they built in 2021 and they were ahead of the time. So everything is move-in ready. You don't have to lift a finger. You just move right on and plop your furniture in here and you are good to go. Primary closet, very good size. And remember, we got the laundry room, and it is a laundry room, not just a stackable set of washer dryer. You can walk on in there, generous size closet. You got the upstairs bedroom here that they have as a bedroom / office. You can make it all the way either way. If you wanted a big home office, perfect spot right here. But if you also want to have it as a guest bedroom, great offset. This sits over the garage. It is a very good size, generous size room. So you've got several areas that your guests could go and have complete privacy. And they have a walk-in shower. Beautiful all the way through. So the terrace level, this is something that you just got to come see. So trust me, this does not feel like any terrace level I've been in before. It is truly like an upstairs extension right down below. And you got so much entertaining space here. Matter of fact, there's there's 2 secrets down here. I'm gonna show you both because there's some really cool stuff that these people added into the mix. First one is this speakeasy. I'm gonna shut the door so you can see actually how it all works. So you got this mirror and you just pop it right on open here. And check this out. This can be used pre-dinner. Come down here, have a glass of wine or a glass of scotch, bourbon, whatever you want to do. What an awesome experience and test for you to get that ceiling. They have thought of everything in this speakeasy part of the basement. So if you like entertaining, you got a lot of little nooks around this place that are phenomenal for that person that loves to entertain and do it the right way. You also have this nice open living space. You'll see the sheetrock ceilings, recessed lights, everything just matching the upstairs. You even have a little wet bar with a wine refrigerator or beverage station over here, if you will. Didn't just leave it the normal. This is the leathered top countertop, and these owners spared no expense in building this home. And the cool thing is, just remember, 2021, so this is like a new home, and the condition of it, it doesn't even feel lived in. It feels brand new all the way through, just like a builder put it on the market for the first time. Great light floors, matching the upstairs color combination also. And over here, you've got a nice exercise room that if you wanted to, you could make this into another bedroom down here. And these owners, they thought of everything. So not only do you see what they've done, but they also prepped it where if you wanted to put another full bathroom down here, remember you do have a full bathroom already in the terrace level. However, if you want to add a second one and make this a bedroom, you could easily make that little area a closet, and you've got plumbing down here that you could easily put in a full bathroom. That's planning ahead. And I'm going to tell you, the other day we saw a home that had a Pac-Man. Golden Tee is one of the hot trends out there. So for you golfers out there or video enthusiasts, the Golden Tee is a classic. I was never that good at it, but it's a fun one and it is a challenging one. You got the fireplace over here that you can see is nice turned on. Great surround with it. And Tess, do you want to, let's go outside at this point in time. But just take a nice little pan shot just around this area, wide open, literally just like the upstairs. Now these people, they built this home, it's the original owners, and they built this to entertain and to take advantage of the wonderful privacy of this lot, but also, if you recall the upstairs view, well down here you've got more of a private setting, and they've got their little jets running here. This, Carol, one of our agents, she said, we turned the hot tub down from the Bellagio fountain style, so this is just a little, we wanted you to hear, if you can hear or at least see the fountains running, because apparently there is a major upgrade to the fountains that can create a dramatic water sound. So you could be out here just nestled up, either sitting right back there on the deck and having a glass of wine and enjoying just nothing but complete privacy all around. And the deck is done where you've got the nice extensions around. You can see plenty of space if you want to relax and lay out. Couch to entertain, talk, or if you just want to sit and relax, like my back is sore today, that hot tub, that'd be a great experience just to sit and have nothing but trees, privacy, and I hear the birds chirping over there. It is such a great setting. I'm thinking that I'm gonna spend, it's morning time where we're filming right now. I think I might just spend the rest of my day right here in the hot tub. And here's the other cool thing, they've thought of it all. So right over here for additional privacy, you can see these little screens. They can go up or down. So if you want to have more privacy, more shade, you just pull this down and it goes across like that. So they have truly, and everything is quality. There's nothing that's been shorted around here. And that's what you feel as you walk through this home is quality, quality. And just remember that view from the upstairs level, nothing but drama. And like you're in the northern tip of the North Georgia mountains. One of the best views I've seen. So then coming on around the terrace level, we've got a bedroom and a full bath over here and another little secret hideaway thing over here as well. So for your guests, the bedroom's tucked right over here. You have a full bath with a nice generous sized shower. And then you got a bedroom that opens up. The thing that I love, I mean, upstairs, downstairs, the people when they built this, they made sure that they capitalized big windows, big open spaces, so they really capitalize on that back lawn experience, whether it's the lower privacy area or the dramatic high view upstairs. But they also got this little nook. The builder was going to leave this as like a little open space framed out behind there. They said, hey, why don't we make that a little nook? We could put a little desk in there. So genuinely, when they came through here, they really thought of every single thing they could do to make it better. And here's a little cool thing back here. What I noticed, I said, what are these little orange things for? Let me turn the light on over here. They prep for everything. So the builder put these in, so they run through. So if you needed to add audio wiring or something like that, these run through the home, so it makes it easier. Boom, run those wires through, make it very easy. Remember, we had the Speakeasy. Well, you got the little secret deck out here as well. So your guest, they can come out here and say, we just want to get away from everybody, and maybe nobody knows exactly where we are. Right here, you probably find them. Nothing but their lawn. And see, here's a cool thing. The homes that are around here, they're built so you can have complete, utter privacy from a multitude of areas all around the home. I always like ending around one of the hot spots of the home, and this one is obviously right behind me is what the hot spot is. If you found value in this video or want to see some different things, please subscribe right below and let us know what we can do to help you. And always remember, LFG.